At the end of this channel, you're gonna make a right, and that's gonna take you to the canal, the clear water. We're here at Rock Springs. Well, this is actually Kings Landing. We went all the way to Kings Landing. That's where you rent a kayak. And we're going up the stream. I think this is called the Emerald Cut. So you make a right, and then you end up in the canal that has the very clear and fresh water. And then we're gonna see what we see. Hopefully no crocodiles.
What happens if you go left?
If you go left, that's where you see the crocodiles. And we don't want to do that. Let me show you. The water is so clear. We're going against the current right now. The water looks calm, but it's not.
It's not at all.
Going against the current.
Strong current.
Yeah, this current is strong. You can't, well actually you can't see it. You can tell going so. So, and I think we're like a little bit more than halfway there, probably. We asked somebody, is this the end? They were like, no, you're like halfway there. Like, oh, okay.
They were trying to be optimistic.
Yeah.
It's like, he's at least halfway, right? Yeah, we're not at least halfway. Not working up a sweat.
Yep.
And yeah, when you get people coming back with the current, it looks so easy.
Yeah, so we can't wait to be there.
Jealous of you. Wishing.
Yeah. So we are here. We came on what's today? Tuesday. So we came in on Tuesday. And then we got here maybe around 9, and there's a lot of people, but I don't think it's as crowded as it gets later in the day or during the weekend.
On the weekend, yeah.
So if you can come on a weekday, come on a weekday. Okay. See you next time.
You still haven't made it to the end. You make it here, you still haven't made it to the end. Looks like it's somebody's private property.
No trespassing.
Stay in the water, don't come up here.
Like a little house over there.
Oh yeah.
They have their landing and everything. That's cool.
To our right, we have Lucky Bastard Drive. We will continue our tour because there's no trespass, unless you're a lucky bastard.
Continue. Let's continue. He's hunting. Look at that. Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Wow. Look at how he's so focused. Oh, sorry we disturbed you. Some more lucky bastards. We made it to the end. This is the end. No trespassing here.
It's all downstream from here.
Yep.
Okay, so we made it to the end, obviously. But if you look over my shoulder here, you'll see this is where the tubing ends also. So you'll be upstream, coming down stream with the tube.
But the tubing is not a Kings Landing. The tubing is, I think, a Kelly Park. And to that one, you need to get in, coming early, because when we arrived, there was a line of the people that were going to Kelly Island, and the people in front of us were turned around. They needed to come back at 1.
At 1 o'clock.
Yeah,
so when the park closes, when they pull up, they say it's closed.
Yeah.
No matter what. So that's
so yeah, and we were in that line around 9:30, so I think you need to come before 9:30 if you want to do the tour. If you are coming to Kings Landing, I think you have more chances.
Yeah, because we got here like at 10.
Yeah,
our intentions were 9-ish, and we got here at 10 and was able to just walk in without reservation. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, we're going to enjoy this water. It's worth going to the end because you can rest, and it's a little bit rewarding. Maybe if you've done the end, how many miles is it to get to it? Oh, I'm asking you. We'll put it up there. But if anybody knows, leave a message below. All right, deuces. I'm testing out the fact that I'm the current star of this video, and I have all the important information. And then she's the co-star. That's why she's blurring. Star, co-star, clear, blurred, blurred. Unless she changes.
What do I need to do to be the star, not a co-star?
Do something scandalous. And now.
Oh my God.
We both co-stars. Cool feature on this camera, actually. It is really, really cold. Hey, come on, take the plunge. Take the plunge. Take the plunge. Once you get in, you're good. Come on, go, come on! Come on. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go! This is how you make the I'm tired plunge look cool.
How was it?
It was great. Felt good, and I'm actually going to stay down there. I just got up. The snapping turtle. And I'm scared to get any closer. He's a big guy. Let's set this down. Moving. You got a snapping turtle coming right at you. Snapping turtle. Snapping turtle. Okay, now all we gotta do is coast and steer.
Okay, we just left the end and now we're going downstream. How you feel about going downstream?
I like downstream, as long as I'm not in the water. Because
Yeah.
you don't know what's coming from upstream.
Alright. Now we're coasting.
We're coasting. Cruise control. Nature's cruise control. Okay, we got a great white herring or a white crane. Let's see, it's a fish going towards us. See a fish going towards us. This is gonna get it.
We're gonna bump into him. Okay, there we go. Oh, we scare him. Yep, we are bumping into him. Oh, sorry, dude.
I messed up somebody's hunting. They look really pissed off at me. I'm just gonna keep going.
Oh, yeah.
Bambi.